Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Today's video we have a recent acquisition, a late 1960s GE W22 I believe box fan. So my dad saw this on FaceBoook Marketplace yesterday morning and I went to pick it up last night for $12. All it was. It's in pretty good shape overall. I'll give you a look. GE 3-speed. Got some scuff marks on the top. Has the original handle, which is nice. Show you on the side. This side is in pretty good shape. Grills are okay. Look at that. Let me do that. Has the original tag. What's interesting is that I could have sworn that this was a W25 because the W22s are bigger. I'll insert a picture here of the difference. And this tag says, this is so hard to do with one hand. It says it's a W22. You can read this. First, with the finest quality, powerful 3-speed motor, grills swing out easily for blade cleaning, retractable contour grip handle, 5-year warranty on permanently lubricated motor, only $1. Printed in US of A, motherfucker. 20-inch portable window fan. There is where it says model W22, new high-velocity 5-element blade by General Electric. So, yeah, I thought this was a W25. Maybe it's not, I don't know. I'm sure you guys want to see this running, so I will get that going for you. I will turn it around and show you the back. This thing is monstrously heavy. It might be the heaviest fan in my collection, and I mean that. It's a little dirty on the back. It looks like this has been opened before because it swings out a little bit. It keeps tripping on the cord because I have a new cord set up. Motor, not sure who made motors for these fans. Looks well built. Switch is on the side, as per all GE fans. Oh my god, this thing weighs at least 20 pounds, maybe even more. Good god. Okay, without further ado, sorry about that, I had something I needed to do. But yeah, here it is. Let's start it off on high. This thing flies, it's knocking stuff over. Here we'll go to medium. Hopefully you can hear me. Now this is interesting. Watch how low it goes on low. This thing slows way down when it goes to low, which is, it's kind of like a Lakewood. Not done. See how quiet it goes? We'll go back to high. And we will do a spin down. This thing is beautiful. So I believe this is from either... The W22s were made from 66 to 67, I think. The W25s were made from 67 to... or 68 to 69, and then the W27s, which are really rare, were made from 70 to 71. Which is interesting because I knew these were old, but it's funny because... They're stopped. With the color scheme of these, you would think these are from the 80s, because they're basically almond all over, and that was the big color in the 80s. So, most people who see these would probably think, oh, well, it's 80s, because, I mean, it looks very 80s. Plastic blades. However, the fact that it has square corners does give it away a little bit. So I'm going to begin disassembling, and I'm going to do what I can to clean it. Hopefully I don't break the grills. I always have that fear on these fans because they're metal and they are odd grills because they don't have screws. They pop out of tabs. So I will shoot that. Okay, I am now on a carpeted surface and I am going to attempt to take off the grills. Now I have, well, I won't say that, but let's see. I have done this once before on a different fan, but I'm going to see how well I do. So you pull up. This is hurting my hands. Let me try it from the bottom. It's almost there. You know what? Step 2 is put some gloves on. Okay, step 2, put some gloves on. They come off, they're just... Ugh, they're so oh god, I bent it. Oh well, they're not that hard to bend back. They're sort of difficult though in a way. You know what? Let's try the back grill, and we'll come back to the front. I don't want it sitting on the cord. Oh crap! I bent the thing. Oh well. This one's looser. This one has obviously come off before. Oh my god, we got it. There's that. It swings, and then you just... pull it like that, and it comes out. So there's the back. Now let's go back to the front. That one has obviously come off before, because it was much looser. Oh my god, we got it. Woo! That was difficult. Oh crap. Okay. I may or may not have bent it just a little bit, but it doesn't look like a piece that's that important. Okay. Got the grills off. Let's see. Oh, the hub is really loose. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but okay. Important part done, we got the grills off. Okay. Come on. Almost got it. Almost got it after like half an hour. Oh! Oh! Yes! I got it off. Now I just gotta find where the fuck it went. Oh well, I'll look for it. I got it off. Oh, I'm so happy. I was able to get it off. Now I just have to take that off. Oh my god. Holy shit. That method worked. Woohoo! Oh shit. Alright, now I just gotta find the C-clip somewhere. Alright everybody. Sad story. I lost the C-clip. Thankfully, Home Depot has a piece that's pretty similar to it, so hopefully I'm going to go pick that up. I think that I have a, they're doing I ordered a couple sizes, it's like a 5/8, but yeah, hopefully I can get what I need. And here it is, all cleaned, as clean as I could get it. Really, the only part that I could get super wet were the blades, but oh well. Grills are bent, as they were, as you can see. I hate this grill design because A, it scratches up your fingers. I almost lost one of mine, not joking about that. And yeah, there's no screws, but they're much harder to take out, and I always get nervous I'm going to break one of them, and they get bent. You wonder why GE only made box fans for like 5 or 10 years. So I will turn it around. I'm actually going to use my dominant hand for this. Oops, turned down a mode on the camera. Still monstrously heavy. Oh god. There we go. Cleaned the cabinet, which is a big improvement. Motor's a little cleaner. These are bent. Cleaned all the sides. Of course, the card is still there, although I bent it a little bit, unfortunately. It's a window fan, actually, which is kind of true. Oh god. This might be the heaviest fan in my collection. I'm not joking. I've turned off everything in the background. I will even turn off this little desk fan I have. Alright, without further ado, here is high. Oh, that is perfect. Beautiful. Let's try medium. And we'll go to low. So I neglected to mention that piece that I lost. Look, see that? I added just a regular old C-clip to it that Home Depot had, and it works like a dream. That is beautiful. Back to high. Almost sounds like a Lakewood 223 with the later, smaller Macmillan motor. And spin down. Yeah, it almost sounds like a newer Macmillan motor with the small vents when it's on high. Has a very long spin down time. Now that it's stopped, I'll show you my clip. There it is. See if I can show you there. See? Just a regular old clip. And now I will turn it around and get a startup sound. Because I know you guys want to see it. Alright. We will start with the startup sound on high. And now we will do a startup sound on low. There's a bit of a clicking. That doesn't really bother me, though. Of course, being that I don't really have any way to clean these fans properly, I just have a tiny laundry sink that sort of half-ass works. What the hell? My camera's having an issue. Hold on. Whoops. Wait, so if I hit that, does it just decide to be a dick? Okay. But yeah, there is the 20-inch GE model W22 Box Fan from FaceBoook Marketplace. Thank you very much for watching, and that is it. One other thing that makes this fan super awesome that I'm able to have is because not only do I have it, but I have the 14-inch version as well.